about how can you face this problem on your Blockcraft 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this is here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click on apps, come to apps is here, and here you're looking for a craft or Blockcraft 3D, or just click on search. Then here add craft or Blockcraft 3D, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.